Every year, the summers take a toll on our skin. To add to that, when we think of summer skincare, we think of the face, right? But the truth is that the skin on our body needs just as much care as the skin on our face. Hi guys, I'm Smriti and today I'm going to show you an easy summer body care routine. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and also hit the bell icon to stay updated with weekly tips, ideas and more on skin, makeup and hair. Remember that a thorough body care routine begins in the shower. For instance, I like using a body wash with hydrating ingredients because more than often the scorching sun leaves our skin feeling dry and dehydrated, which then leads to flakiness, and no one likes that, right? Speaking of which, this is my go-to body wash for the summer. It's the Love Beauty and Planet Muru Butter and Rose Aroma Body Wash. Take a small amount of it on your loofah, lather it up and use it all throughout your body. It has 100% natural Muru butter and organic coconut oil. Both these ingredients will keep your body moisturized. Along with it, it has the scent of ethically sourced Bulgarian roses that lingers through my body through the day and makes me feel oh so refreshed. Additionally, I also like dry brushing my skin once a week. It helps lift off the dirt, boosts blood circulation and also helps the product absorb better into my skin, all of which makes my skin glow. The next step in my summer body care routine is to use a scrub. It is important to use an effective body scrub that helps exfoliate the skin, removing dirt and oil from deep within the pores, making your skin feel fresh and happy. This is the body scrub that I've been loving. It's the Dove Crushed Macadamia and Rice Milk Body Polish. Just scoop out a generous amount and massage it all over. Pay special attention to your elbows, knees and heels as these areas tend to develop dry patches. Macadamia has vitamin E which helps hold water on the surface of the skin, keeping your skin soft and healthy. Over time, it will also brighten the complexion of your skin. While your skin is still damp from the shower, it's time to hydrate the topmost layer of your skin. But the thing with body lotions is that the formulas are sticky, making the entire process super messy. Plus in the summers, I need a lotion that instantly refreshes my skin. So what if I told you that there is a product that is non-sticky, lightweight and is especially crafted for hot and humid weather? Yes, you heard that right. I'm talking about the Vaseline Ice Cool Hydration Body Lotion. Take a dollop-sized amount, rub it between your palms to warm up the lotion and massage it all over your body in gentle circular motion. Don't forget to apply generously on areas with thicker skin such as your knees and elbows. I'm in love with this product because it hydrates and nourishes my skin and has a refreshing, cooling sensation which is perfect for the summers. Additionally, I also like to use a hand and nail cream, reason being that our hands are the most exposed part of our body. Plus, hand sanitizers, which are now a staple in our lives, tend to dry out our hands all the more. Add humidity, the scorching sun to this mix and you're sure to be left with dry and dehydrated hands. So while you may think that it's not as important, let me tell you that hand care is a must. As a rule, while picking a hand cream, make sure to look out for products with 100% non-greasy formulas. I like using this one. This is the Lakme Hand and Nail Cream with mulberry, pentavitin and almond oil. Take some of it on the back of your hand and use both hands to massage it well into the skin. It has pentavitin, which is a 100% plant-derived hydration hero. It also has almond oil which helps retain moisture, and lastly, it also has mulberry extract that helps even out the skin tone. Remember to apply a little extra at the back of your hand because compared to your palms, they tend to be more exposed, making them far more prone to suntan and dryness. And finally, I like to end my body care routine by applying a roll-on that is gentle, alcohol-free and has skin-soothing ingredients which makes the skin in my underarms feel moisturized and odor-free. This one is my personal favorite. It's the Dove Even Tone Deodorant Roll-On. Go over the underarm area with 4 to 5 swipes, let it dry and you're done. This deodorant roll-on has been a lifesaver for me as it keeps my underarms fresh for up to 48 hours. So guys, this was my summer body care routine. Do you also have a summer body care routine? Do let us know in the comments below. I have linked all the products used in this video in the description box below, so do check it out. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel. Also hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.